Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to Soncha. We're gonna make a nice little walking tour here. We're starting at the beach, but this is where we're gonna walk today. We're gonna go behind those big beachfront hotels here in Da Nang, Vietnam, and check out the little side streets because there's so many good restaurants. We're gonna find out if there's something new. I already know some places I will also recommend to you, but I'm wondering, in the An Thung area, there's so many restaurants every single week, new ones. I'm wondering if they're gonna have something like that as well here. I'm very curious and I'm excited. So I haven't been here for 2 months. I think I did not do a walking tour here. So now today is the day. This is also the little strip where everyone is making their videos. This is the Miami of Asia or Vietnam. This is the area. I usually fly the drone and drive here. So this is the beach part. Looks super nice at night as well. They have zebra stripes here, but you gotta be careful. It's Vietnam. They usually don't stop. Cars sometimes stop. Just have to look into their eyes, wave their hand. Okay, you need to wave the hand, show them you're walking, and then continue in a steady pace, guys. Raise the hands. That's my mother-in-law always tells me to raise my hand, so I do that. In Germany, maybe I get to jail, but it's Vietnam, guys. What is this, man? What is this? What a mess. What a mess. Yes, this is, I mean, it's not okay. It's not okay. This is a very touristy area here. It's not like the western area, I would say. I would say this is like Asian tourism, I think, but who knows? Maybe something changed. Things has changed. Look at this. This is the ice delivery. This is how the ice gets driven around. And we're starting here in the Ha Bong Street. Ha Bong Street, and this is, I think, a new I Love Banh Mi coffee shop, banh mi stand. They have several places like that, also in the An Thung area. And there's so many hotels here as well, guys. Hotels and spas. And it does rain a little bit, guys.Maybe I'm a fraud. It should not rain. But this is also recorded on Monday, so after that it should not be raining anymore. I have no idea why it rains, but yeah. Coffee shop over here, and now this is my favorite rice shop. They had one in the An Thung area, but they closed down and there's something else now. But I will also test if it's good. But yeah, this place here. And I brought here a lot of people who haven't been to Vietnam yet, and they were very pleasantly surprised how good it was. Eating things they would never thought they would eat. Like shrimp paste and all kinds of goodies. But they're very good restaurants. The Dream Suite. It's so busy here. And I see way more Western tourists than before. Before I would say, oh look at this, they even have a Milan Chow here. Interesting. And it's the same setup like in the An Thung area. It's the mart, it's the billiard, and then the Milan Chow. It's interesting. What do you guys think? And then the barbecue place, the Chinese barbecue. Maybe this is like a Chinese business and they have locations everywhere around here. The same way. Super interesting. Oh God, now it's raining, guys. My God, it's okay. I will still keep walking for you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the Amazon here of Vietnam. All delivery will be coming from this. And Shopee. Bello Pizza, that's new. Oh God, I hope it's not too bad the view with the raindrops. People walking around with umbrellas already. I thought it would be over now, but Keep in mind this is recorded a day before you're watching this. It's a VIP massage. Okay, interesting. So they have normal massages and they have for the VIPs, yes. I'm not sure if you are VIP, but Beach Paradise Sauna Massage, VIP Fortuna. Fortuna Düsseldorf. Greetings out. Fortuna, shout out Fortuna Düsseldorf. Shout out to Volker Düsseldorf, a beautiful member from Düsseldorf. He would probably enjoy this massage place because it's for Fortuna fans, you know. Oh, look at this. This is a new place. It looks very, very nice actually. Or did it just renovate? Hoang Kitchen, Vietnamese cuisine and vegan food. I think they just opened up, yes, guys. This is the sign, this is a brand new business. You have these huge flower bouquets. That means they had the opening less than a week, I would say. Yeah, looks super nice and stylish. Yeah, also this looks also super stylish, yeah. Pink Salt Restaurant. I'm not sure, it's closed right now. But yeah, maybe you can see a little bit. I checked it out one time. Yeah. It's okay, it doesn't rain that bad, but it's still annoying. This is a cafe and spa. Pavement wise, not good here. Check this out. The plan is good. So they have the yellow lines, but no one is enforcing it. So it was better before. Babylon Spa. There's so many hotels here in this whole neighborhood. And this is a Golden Lotus Oriental Organic Spa. Okay. Check this out, and there's a random, just a villa. Overnight spa. What does that mean? What does overnight spa mean? Can you sleep in there? It's also a barber and everything like that. That's super interesting. And, oh no, thank you. I think I had a mikwang here one time. But yeah, this is interesting, guys. There's so many of those. I think this is like a typical Korean thing. Korean, because there is everything in Korean language. Korean and Japanese with these kind of shops with the full service. Another one. Massages, full service, hot stone, everything in Korean also. Yeah. And there are so many Korean businesses here as well. Oh man, now it's raining. What a mess. I'll still try to get as much in this video as possible. The Yen residence. Wondering what this is. You think it's an apartment or hotel building? There's also a bar and cafe upstairs somehow. Oh. And always, if you see these kind of places, go in and try some noodles here. This is always the good ones. It does not look good because it's plastic stools and it's not wood, earthy feeling, but usually the food is better. Oh my god, there's a seafood over there. Whenever I see high sun, that's seafood. And there are usually also some tanks. It's also a good sign. If you don't see tanks outside, be worried because you need to have the fresh seafood, guys. There you can get some juices. This here is Glomat, I think. Glomat Boutique Hostel, maybe? Or hotel? No, Soho Boutique. Soho Boutique. And Grand Sea Hotel. Interesting. It's very interesting. Look at this penthouse over there. It looks cool. If it's a penthouse. But yeah. This neighborhood is also good. I mean, if you find something here to live, I mean, you also everything you have around here. However, it's not as I feel Antung area is still the most westernized area. There's so many Western restaurants, right? And the walkway and everything. And here, I don't know. Kamala, Thai Bak. Hello, cute doggo. Oh God, I'm getting wet here. Let's have a coffee, guys. This is also a brand new spot here. Futa Residence. And it's in the, oh, guys, it's open now. Wow. This might be also very interesting for people with long-term rentals here. Or buying into it. I don't know if you can buy here as a foreigner. Futa Fuong, I mean, this is probably a company who rents out apartments. But yeah, very new building. And you know what? I have to check out their pavement. When they built this place, I was like, you know what? I have to check out their pavement. And I'm a little bit underwhelmed because there's not that much pavement. It's a grass field. A grass field. Check this out. I thought it's gonna be a nice, lush, thick pavement, but the pavement itself on the normal side is like blocked with like advertisement and motorbikes. So I thought really this would be a nice big pavement, but it's not. Sad. You can walk over here though. But that's not bad, but imagine having, let's have a 1,000, 2,000 people in this building and they all want to walk somewhere. Oh. Oh, look at this. Old school Maybach, 62. That's a good one. It's probably the owner of this building. I saw him more often here. I love these old Maybachs, man. I feel like since they merged together with Mercedes, like these Mercedes Maybachs, it's not as classy and stylish like this old Maybachs. This is a la carte. Yeah, bloody hell. How should I do my walking tour now? Well, it's okay. I think we already have enough. But this is, I mean, I don't know. Oh, I finished another video very early before. Look at this, Futa Land. We're making some propaganda photos here. Okay, looks good. It looks nice though. And it is beachfront. So this is not that many beachfront residences here, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.